Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2. Today we are continuing our embroidery by adding some vibrant pink tones to the heart of our pomegranate. I've already finished one side and now we are going to mirror that work on the other side to bring the whole piece together. To begin, anchor your thread at the starting point and bring your needle up through the red embroidery as shown. Make a long stitch downward, then secure it with a small tacking stitch. Follow the red marker as your guide. Bring your needle up and back through once more to ensure everything is tight. Once secured, use a satin stitch to fill the inner section completely. Finally, attach a bead to the crown of the pomegranate. And that's it. Trim your thread and secure the ends.